Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. The World Bank has released its Doing Business report showing Jamaica making strides in making it easier for people to do business here, but at the same time seeing a decline in its ranking. It shows that while it's getting easier to do business in Jamaica, the country's ranking was not reflecting the improvement. Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
The big picture in the Doing Business list is that for the 2016-17 period, Jamaica was ranked 70 by the World Bank on the Ease of Doing Business list, a dip when compared with a rank of 67 last year. The worsening position, however, not due to Jamaica not making it easier for its businesses to do business. What actually happened is that the pace of reforms in other countries was faster than in Jamaica. The highlight, however, among what Jamaica did was improving how long it took to start a business. Reforms mean that it now takes 3 days to register a business in Jamaica, ranking the country 5th in the world in that area. 15 years ago, registering a business took 31 days. Other things which came in for praise from the World Bank were next day service for incorporating a business, improving the reliability of electricity in Kingston, and the Asikuda system at customs to make trading easier. They were among reforms that the country undertook to make it easier to do business. In all, 25 reforms were undertaken in the last 15 years, the third most of any country in Latin America and the Caribbean. Only Mexico with 26 reforms and Colombia with 34 made more changes to their regulatory framework than Jamaica. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
The run of gains for the Jamaican dollar came to a halt today with the US currency reversing its losses for the first time in 17 days. At the end of trading, the US currency was being sold for $127.28. The Canadian dollar was being sold for $99.38. The pound sterling cost $168.28, while the euro is going for $146.71. Digicel is to discontinue its live customer agent care service for the hours stretching from 8 each night to 7:59 the next morning. The company said instead of a human agent during those hours, customers seeking help will have to do so through its My Digicel app and an interactive voice menu. The change takes effect on Wednesday. Supreme Ventures has announced that the turnaround at Caymanas Park led it to realize a record-breaking month in August. The company said its horse racing subsidiary realized $508 million in sales in that month. It was the best turnover for horse racing sales in the history of Caymanas Park. Stocks ended mostly lower today, causing the JC index to ease off its all-time high. The index dipping 1,947 points. The junior market index, however, gained 55. Those recording gains included Berger Paints, Caribbean Producers, Jamaica Broilers, Jetcon, Main Event Entertainment, Paramount Trading, and T-Tech. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Carreras, JMMB Group, Panjam, Pulse Investments, Sagicor Group, and Supreme Ventures. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.